Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today's topic is on how to manage your time effectively to attain success in life. Time management is the process of organizing and planning how to divide your time between specific activities. Good time management enables you to work smarter, not harder, so that you get more done in less time. Even when time is tight and pressures are high, failing to manage your time damages your effectiveness and causes stress. The highest achievers manage their time exponentially well. By managing time, you can improve your ability to function more effectively. Here are 8 tips on how to manage your time effectively. Number 1. Plan your day. Create a to-do list which consists of all the tasks that you need to accomplish. Making a habit of your daily planning is one thing. Ensuring that your plan is actually inching towards your bigger goal is another. Use your daily planning session to make sure your daily tasks are aligned with your long-term objectives. Number 2, break down your big goals. Break down your goals into daily tasks. Review your personal and professional goal when you sit down to plan your day and add tasks that get you closer to both. Number 3, set clear priorities. Sometimes a list of things you need to do may seem overwhelming. To make it manageable, it's better to divide your to-do list into smaller chunks. Setting up priorities will help you order your task according to their importance, urgency, and efforts needed to accomplish them. Divide the task as mentioned here. Important and urgent. These are the tasks you should do first. Important but not urgent. Tasks you can schedule to do later. Not important but urgent. If possible, you may delegate these tasks. Not important and not urgent. You can skip tasks falling into this category. Number 4. Focus on one task at a time. While some praise multitasking, it appears to make more harm than good. Doing several tasks at once is ineffective and inefficient. As human brain needs time to switch from one task to another, trying to do too many things create a lag time. When we are actually not being as productive as we might want to be, instead try to focus on one task at a time and complete it, and after that switch to another one. This way, especially if you give yourself at least few minutes of rest between assignments, the transition is smooth and your brain is ready to take on new tasks. Number 5, minimize interruptions. Sometimes you do tasks that require deep focus and minimizing interruptions. It may be working on a project, documentation, or creating a report. Interruptions you need to get rid of may come from emails, calls, colleagues, or chat conversations. It may be tempting to check your inbox every once in a while. Get involved in an office small talk or hang out with your team on chat. But truth is, it kills your productivity. If you worry about missing an important email, set yourself a dedicated time when you will check your inbox. Every other time is dedicated to assigned tasks. Tell your teammates not to disturb you and use your headphones. At the same time, you may listen to music that helps you concentrate. Snooze notification and put your phone out of sight to avoid checking it compulsively. Number 6. Set yourself shorter deadlines. The work expands as to fill the time available for its completion. Thus, if you have more time to finish a task than you actually need, then chances are that you won't do it quickly. The best way is to set yourself shorter deadlines. If you will still struggle to force yourself to finish a task faster, ask someone from your team to review your work at a certain date. So you now have to do the work in order to show them the results. Number 7. Learn to delegate. There are people at your organization with skills and time to help you. Deliver some of the tasks you struggle with or simply you don't have time for. To spot available team member with skills needed for a specific task, use resource allocation tool. For example, you may quickly filter all employees by their role and view their bookings and availability in a simple calendar view. That makes your life easier. Number 8, learn to say no. Knowing your limits when it comes to amount of work you are able to finish in a given time frame is very important to not only deliver what you have committed to, it also helps to avoid work related stress and eventually feeling burnt out. Saying no to your supervisor, manager, or even boss may be intimidating, but there are ways to do it politely and assertively. Give a reason. Explain what other important tasks you are doing at the moment and how taking on new ones will affect them. Let them prioritize. If you already have lots on your plate and your supervisor asks you to take on another one, present them with your list of priorities. Let them decide whether the task they are asking you to do have a higher priority or not. Don't lie. Fake excuses are not a good way to deal with requests. Be open and why you are not able to do something at the moment, explain it clearly. Hope you got some insights on how to manage time effectively in order to attain success in life. Please leave a comment below if you liked the session today. Until next time, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel VJ Spikes. Thank you.